The assessment area allows students to evaluate their knowledge of a selected math content. Selecting one topic and a subtopic, a test will be generated. The platform intelligence system will consider your personal information and individual and collective performance to generate the best test for you. The system will search in its database for the questions that most suit you at each moment. At the end of the test, the platform shows your score and the type of answers provided. For each incorrect question answered, the platform suggests a collection of videos and written materials that can support learning that content.